Sure you want to do this?
Mom, if I stay one more night in that house, I'm going to go crazy.
So what about me?
So why don't you go to the other house?
Nope. That's where he does his books and business. And also where he carries his side chicks. I'm not going to that place.
So what about the other one in Haverdale?
Too much memories.
All bad?
No. Not all bad.
Mom, there comes a time when we have to really decide to move on, you know.
And that's easier said than done.
Mommy, this man has become our nightmare. I can't live like this anymore.
I can't either.
Then do something about it.
Tiffany, politics has changed your father. He has become more ruthless and power thirsty. We have to be smart about this.
I never thought I would see the day I would feel like killing that man with my bare hands.
I don't think you mean that here.
You have no idea. Because of him, Karim isn't even taking my calls anymore.
How is he?
He says he's okay. But I'm worried that he might go back.
You're worried about him going back what? Tiffany, to a gang? Is what your father said was true? Because you know if that's it, that's absolutely a no-no between you and him.
Wow. Can you be any more judgmental, Mom? Or should I say Mrs. Wallace? Because you're sounding very much like your husband right now.
Watch it. Tiffany, I am protecting you.
Yes, Mom. You are protecting me. That's what he says. That's what you guys keep saying to me. But guess what? I'm an adult. I don't need protecting. I can do it all on my own.
Tiffany, you don't know what clock a strike. Yes, you're 18 and yes, you feel as if you can take on the world. I felt like that when I was 18 too. But listen to me. I'm only here to protect you for a reason. And I'm not depending on your father to do that.
Mom, do you realize how we're living? We are rich prisoners to this narcissistic man.
I don't intend for us to live like this any longer. But Tiffany, we have to be smart about this.
Well, until we get smart about it, I will be staying out of that house and I'll be staying with Cara. And Mom, for your own peace of mind, I would suggest that you do the same thing.
You're the fortunate one. If only I had somewhere like that.
What about that little lawyer boyfriend of yours?
Excuse me?
A little sugar stick.
Tiffany, I am not having this conversation with you. And that wasn't supposed to be a thing.
Well, we're definitely going to have this conversation, you know. You're not just going to run away from it like this. But seriously though, Mom, you really need to find a way to get away from that man.
Okay. Anyway, give me a hug, Swoosh. And please remember to call me, Tiffany.
Yeah.
I'm not joking.
Yeah. I'll call you. I'm going to call you. Okay. I hope you're cooking now because I'm hungry.
And it look like you need a whole heap of food. You lose a lot of weight.
Hi, Carl.
Michelle.